May I call on Dang to join me to give our acknowledgements. We would like to give our gratitude, appreciation, and thanks for the following people who, without their efforts, precious time, dedications, and commitments, this reunion will not be a success. First, let's thank our God above. It is His will that made this all possible. To my counterpart, Rhoda Guevara, our chairwoman, for pouring her heart out on this reunion and making this dream come true for everyone.
To Claudine Alcazar, our reunion secretary, in charge of our program of activities and as our game master.
To Mr. Eduardo Bartolome, our treasurer, who has sleepless nights, responsible for keeping and beefing up our funds.
To Stanley Basubas, in charge of our souvenir programs and design presentations, and for lending us his place for our monthly meetings.
To Ms. Cecil Quizon and Rosalex Tolentino, our event coordinator, for the batch night, and who help us out on collections and memberships all throughout and for the food during meetings.
To Lourdes Puna for making our Pabingo successful. She kept our faith by making our first batch activity a success. Thank you very much.
To Christy Lopez for helping out on our Pabingo. She was in charge of the venue and as our caroling coordinator.
To President Derain, our auditor and event coordinator for the parade.
To Ms. Rowena Quito, our Solicitor General, and who helped us out in so many things.
To Cecil Gomez and Cherry Corpus for all the food we enjoyed and who supported us all throughout their comments and suggestions.
To Chrismar Vargas for the picture and video coverage and the claps.
Palakpak.
Palakpak. And being with us in so many occasions.
To Miguel de Vera, who were with us always since this endeavor has started, and his contributions to the effort.
To Mr. Ronald Compagnon, even though he's not with us today, for his participations, his views and suggestions, and made us laugh during meetings.
To Raimundo Mendoza for the transportations, for driving us around during the campaign and visitations of batchmates, and for his a la Michael Jackson performance.
To Ms. Lucia Gagale, our co-auditor, for sharing her views and opinions.
To John Dumota, another comic guy who made us laugh with his antics but very dependable and hosting a couple of our meetings.
To Ms. Josephine Manungtong for being with us through thick and thin, for all her support and humors, very reliable and dependable.
To Lauro Jesus, who were with us all throughout, providing transportation, support, and errands kahit may pasok pa sa work.
To Mr. Lauro Mayo, our school coordinator and future OCNHS principal. Also for the sound systems, he supported us since our first meeting in Jackson. He made that possible. Thank you, Mr. Mayo.
To Dulce Amor de los Reyes, Gemma Santos, and Shirley Cabusora for their support and cooperations and attending the meetings.
To Mr. Javier Figueres, who joined us in many occasions and helped us out in many things, running errands and recruiting others. Also for chopping the lechon.
To Renato and Marife Calano, Tagalog, the couple were not only supportive of each other but also of other batchmates and the reunion. Thanks for the lechon too. Our hearts off to the couple.
To Ronald Puno, who started this all and able to join us in this great occasion. This is his brainchild. Thank you very much, Mr. Puno.
To Corazon Camba, who had been so supportive since the very beginning. Thank you for the calls every meeting, who has endlessly making updates and on every meeting and convincing others to join.
To Mr. Edwin Olaño, our webmaster, our biggest thanks for connecting each and everyone on his page, for getting all of us abreast about the reunion.
Yes, to Edwin. To Ricky Periarce and Norman Liesis for their support during the early part of putting this all together.
To Ms. Joan Portasio for her collaboration in sending our initial funds.
To the Balikbayans, Dr. Leo Medina, Ronald Puno, Grace Peralta, Hani Ordonez, Elisa Miranda, Elena Mercado, Edilberto Carlos, Elaine Esquilio Webb, Odona Rodriguez, Corazon Camba, Carmen de Guzman, Rosalie Tulao, Edwin Afinidad, Renato Calanog, and Romeo Bohol.
To Mr. Ruel Di Malanta for composing our solicitation letter.
To Dr. Leo Medina, who shared on his success with the Lord and showed us the way to God's love, together with Ronald Puno for the US-based presentation.
To Mr. Willie Ogot, who timely joined and helped us with our caroling and provided us with a total entertainment package, always the man of the hour.
To Carlos Santos for representing the FedEx boys on every meeting.
To Brother Ed Alarcon for his invocations.
To Felix Calva Jr. for the streamers.
To Mr. Ramil Salonga and Mario Lakian and company for supporting us in many things, in spreading the word to other batchmates and for organizing the basketball games.
To Ozona Rodriguez, Grace Peralta, and Jojo Carlos for the prizes. Thank you very much.
To Ms. Elena Mercado for opening message during our first program and sharing our class president's message to the batch.
To Pedro Maninang Jr., our class president, for his inspiring words of hope, love, and friendship.
To all the MCs, Roel de Malanta, Luchi Digale, Edwin Afinidad, Preslin Derain, Willie Ogot, Eduardo Bartolome, and Claudine Alcazar.
To Elisir Marcia and Emmanuel Torres for helping us out on food and drink preparation and running errands.
To Mr. Romeo Kahiyang for special numbers during our batch night and tonight.
To the SK Babes for a well-prepared dance number.
To Mr. Robert Lim, Alan Lopez, Ramil Salonga, and members of SK Guapings for all their support.
To Norberto Ventura, our parade escort and marshal, who provided us security on the entire reunion. Thank you.
To the guest speakers, Mrs. Helen Agabao and Mr. Agustin Pacasio Jr. Pascasio, sorry, in embracing this homecoming and for their inspiring messages.
To our former teachers who celebrated with us and for their inspiring messages.
To our alma mater, OSNHS.
To our special guest speaker, Honorable Mayor James Gordon Jr. for giving his valuable time and inspirational message.
To K-Light FM Radio for our free radio announcements.
To all our sponsors and donors.
To all our families who supported and celebrated with us and who were one with us during this great stride. Thanks for the love, understanding, and support.
To all the people who gave and sent your pledges and support, our sincere gratitude and thanks. Without you, all our efforts will come to naught. And finally, to Jojo Carlos.